To solve this problem, the first thing we are going to do is to change it from horizontal to vertical. So I write down my 5,304 and then I write down my 769, making sure that my place values are lined up, ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, and so on and so forth. I always start subtracting in the right-hand column in the ones place, and I always ask myself the question, can I do it? 4 minus 9, can I do that? I cannot. My bottom number is bigger, so I cannot take 9 away from 4. If I have 4 cookies, I cannot give someone 9. So I need to borrow cookies. Go over to my neighbor. This person has no packages of cookies, so there is nothing to borrow. So I need to go to my next neighbor. I still take 1 package of cookies from that neighbor, but since I'm borrowing across to 0, it's going to be a little bit different. So I put a little arrow to show that I'm borrowing across. Anytime that I borrow across a 0, it becomes a 9. And then the person that needs the cookies is going to get 10 cookies. So my 4 is going to become a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Move on to my next spot. 9 minus 6, I still ask myself the question, can I do it? 9 minus 6, I can do. 9 minus 6 is 3. Go over to the next column, ask myself the question, can I do it? 2 minus 7, I cannot do because my bottom number is larger, so I need to borrow. I go over to my neighbor, take 1 package of cookies, so the 5 becomes a 4. That package of cookies is worth 10 cookies, so my 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Bring down my comma. On my last column, 4 minus nothing, I can certainly do that. It is 4. So the answer to 5,304 minus 769 is 4,535.